What is up, everyone? So today we're going to be doing a hood stripe on the MR2. So what I have today is a spool of wrap cut, which is a product on Amazon that is similar to the 3M brand of wrap cut, and it's quite a bit less expensive, so you actually get a lot more for what you're buying. So this is a 200-foot roll, and today I'm going to see if it works decent enough to do some hood stripes. I also got my tube of ViVid satin black vinyl. A link to will be in the description below, and we're going to try to go ahead and do some satin black hood stripes on the MR2 hood. Funny thing about this tube though, this is a 3-foot section and about a 5-foot tube. Not really sure why they sent it like that, but it's kind of funny when I opened it, because I opened the top and I'm like, where is it? It's 2 foot down. Anyways, let's get started. So just finished up with the vinyl, not too bad. The wrap cut wasn't too bad. It didn't really give me good solid straight edges. It's just kind of basically fishing line and tape. So it's not bad for cutting the general shape, but getting the edges straight is another story. So I wound up using pinstriping for the edges. Overall, I'm pretty happy with this. Turned out pretty well. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.